Meagan Johnson has a lot to sing about. After undergoing brain surgery, the Alabama teen is once again feeling good enough to dance. And the song she chose has special meaning. When she was just 7 years old, Meagan underwent brain surgery for hydrocephalus, which is when fluid builds up deep within the brain. After the surgery at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, she had a stroke and was unable to speak. At first, nothing could cheer her up, until she heard Britney Spears' Toxic. She began to smile so big, moving her shoulder and raising her arm, shaking her hips, dancing like crazy, her mom wrote in her journal at the time. The song has always been one of her favorites. This year, Meagan graduated from high school.
Meagan Johnson.
But soon after, Meagan had to go back to the hospital for another surgery. When she woke up, she belted out the gospel hit, "Won't He Do It," for her mom. But when it was time to go home, only Britney would do. And Meagan plans to keep on dancing no matter what. This is InsideEdition.com.